morning, all my dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good morning, dear. Okay, so today we are learn the subject play, do, and learn. Which subject today we are learn? Play, do, and learn. Now, teacher show you one animal. You can identify that animal. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Which animal is that?
Fish.
Fish. Okay, very good. What is the color of that fish?
Orange.
Orange color. Okay. Fish have an eye?
Fish have, yes, fish have eyes.
Okay, very good student. Where did the fish live?
Fish live in, fish live in water.
Okay, very good student. Fish live in a water. It means those animals live in a water. This animal called as a aquatic animal. Which animal? Those animals live in a water. This animal is called as a aquatic animal. So today our topic is aquatic animal. Okay. Now teacher share with you screen. You observe that screen very carefully and listen also very carefully. Okay. Okay. Which subject today we are studying? Today we are studying about play, do, and learn. Today we are studying about play, do, and learn. What is the topic? Aquatic animal. Which topic today we are studying? Aquatic animal. Which animal see in that picture?
Fish.
Okay. Then
Fish, octopus, tortoise,
okay.
jellyfish,
Okay.
crab.
Okay. It means you see fish, octopus, crab, turtle, turtle also called as a tortoise, and jellyfish is there. So all these are the aquatic animal. What is mean by the aquatic animal? Aquatic animals means that live in a ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Aquatic animals are also called as the sea or marine animals. Okay. Now first aquatic animal. Which picture is there? Can you identify that picture?
This is fish.
Fish. Okay. What is the color of that fish?
Orange.
Orange color. Very good. And what is the spelling of fish?
F-I-S-H. Fish.
Okay. Very good, student. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Now, fish is a water animal. Fishes breathe through their gills. Fishes can see like a human. Most fishes are omnivorous. They eat both meat and plant-based material. Fish cannot live without water. Fish is used as a food in our daily life. Fish meat is very tasty. There are more than 35,000 species of fish in the world. Now, next animal. Can you guess which animal is that?
This is starfish.
Very good, student. This is a starfish. What is the shape of that starfish?
Star.
Star shape. Do you like that starfish?
Yes.
Okay, now let us see information about that starfish. Starfish belongs to a large group of marine animals. Starfish belongs to a large group of marine animals. They can be found in all oceans of the world. They are also known as the sea stars. Mostly we are sea stars in a sky, na?
Yes.
But this starfish see in a marine life or sea. Starfish is a very in size. Common feature for all the starfish is that their body is radically symmetrical. Most species have a 5 arms. How many arms for starfish? Yes, student. Mostly starfish have a 5 arms. How many arms?
5.
Okay, but there are sea stars with 10, 20 or over than 40 arms. Starfish mouth is located on the underside of its body. They don't have a brain. Very interesting thing about starfish. Starfish don't have a brain and blood. They like to eat clams, shells and mussels. And what is the spelling of starfish?
Starfish. Starfish.
Okay, the spelling of starfish is a Starfish. Mostly that starfish available in a ocean. Now, which animal is that? Which animal
Octopus.
is that?
Octopus.
Very good, students. Very good, bacha. That animal is a octopus. And what is the color of that octopus in that slide?
Yellow.
Okay. Okay, yellow color. It means a nice observation. Huh? And what is the spelling of octopus?
Octopus. Octopus.
The spelling of octopus is Octopus. Now let us see the information about octopus. Octopus are a sea creature with a soft bodies and 8 arms. How many arms for octopus? 8 arms. Okay, every octopus have a 8 arms. Octopus are invertebrates, means they don't have a spines. An octopus can change color to match its surrounding. Octopus wear us the color according to their surrounding. Some octopus are small and some are big in sizes. Octopus have a 3 hearts. How many hearts for octopus?
3 hearts.
Okay. And how many hearts for us? How many hearts? One heart. Very good. You are a very intelligent student. Huh? And this is a very important information about octopus. Octopus have a 3 hearts. And what is the color of blood of octopus? You know? No. It's not be an yellow color. The color of that blood of octopus is a blue. And what is the color of our blood?
Red color.
Very good. Our blood color is a red and that octopus blood color is a blue. This is a very interesting information. Huh? Octopus have a 3 hearts and a blue bloods. Now, which animal is that?
It's jellyfish.
Okay, jellyfish. Very good. Now, jellyfishes are many colors and sizes. Jellyfishes are found in all oceans in the world. Jellyfish have a fish in their name, but they are not a fish. When you are observing the spelling of that jellyfish, that time we are see that at the end of that spelling, the fish is included. Jellyfish, but actually jellyfish is not a fish. It is a jelly like a sea animal. It is a jelly like a sea animal. Different color of jellyfish are seen in a sea, but they are mostly white, transparent. When you are observing about jellyfish mostly found in a white and transparent color. They have a soft bodies and a long stinging. Jellyfish look like a little umbrella. Jellyfish look like a little umbrella. Look at in the picture. How they look? They look like a little umbrella. It has a no backbone, brain, heart or eyes. The jellyfish's mouth is found in the center of its body. Jellyfish eat a small fishes. And what is the important information of jellyfish? Jellyfish has a no backbone and also no bone, no brain and no heart and or no eyes. Okay. Now next fish. Now see the some picture of jellyfishes that found in a ocean. Okay. These are the some picture of jellyfishes that found in a ocean. That jellyfishes are available in a many color and sizes and they look very beautiful. Mostly jellyfishes are white and transparent. Now, which animal is that?
Some more.
Which animal is that? Yes, children. Which animal is that? Can you guess that animal?
Seahorse.
Very good. Which animal is that? Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Available in a ocean. And what is the spelling of seahorse?
S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E.
Okay, the spelling of seahorse is a S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Now let us see the information about that seahorse. Now, they are a teeny fish. They are a teeny fish that have a head. Looks like the head of horse. That's why that fish we call, that animal we call as a seahorse because their head looks like a horse head. Now, they are a seahorses, one of the most interesting living creature, and it is look very beautiful. Now, seahorses are a fish. They live in a water. They live in a water, breathe through gills, and have a swim bladder. However, they do not have fins and have a long snake-like tail. That seahorses have a long snake-like tail. Now, they also have a neck and snout that points down. That seahorse also have a neck and their points down. Although they are a bony fish, they do not have a scales, but rather thin skin stretched over a series of bony plates. They are arranged in a rings throughout their bodies. Look at in that picture, that first picture, all these rings throughout their bodies. Now, each species has a distinct number of rings. Seahorses are a poor swimmer and generally swim in a upright position. That seahorses are a poor for swim and generally they swim in an upright position of water. Now next animal, can you guess that animal?
Shark. Fish.
Shark fish. Okay, you like shark fish?
Yes.
Are you see shark fish?
No, teacher. Shark fish is so dangerous.
Okay, you don't like shark fish because it's so dangerous. Okay. And where do you see that shark fish? Yes.
In the TV.
Okay, in the TV. On which channel?
Shark fish movies, no?
Okay. In the movies, you see a shark. Okay, very good student. Nice observation and nice memory. Actually, shark is one of the biggest and dangerous sea animal. Yes, right, student. It is a very dangerous sea animal. And it is one of the biggest sea creature. Shark has a strong tail Are you see the tail of that shark? That tail is very strong. And dorsal fin and sharp teeth. Shark lose its teeth and get a new teeth. Sharks live in a warm sea and ocean. More than 365 species of shark in a sea. How many species of shark? 365. Some shark, for example of some sharks, whale shark. Are you see the picture of whale shark? It looks so beautiful, but it's very dangerous sea animal. Okay. Now, second example, great white shark. Okay, these are the also example of shark. Now next, tiger shark. Next, hammerhead shark. Okay, these are the some example of sharks. Well, whale shark is the biggest of all sharks, but it moves slow compared to other shark. Shark has a gills to breathe. Shark move even they sleep. Very interesting information, huh? That shark move when they are sleep also. Shark eat all the dead animals in a sea. So it helps to clean sea and ocean. This is also very interesting information that shark eat all the dead animals in a sea. So it helps to clean the sea and ocean. The lifespan of a shark are 20 to 30 years. This is also the one of the example of shark, bull shark. It's called as a bull shark. Now next animal, which animal is that?
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Okay, dolphin. What is the color of that dolphin in that slide?
Blue color. Blue and white.
Okay, very good. Nice observation. The color of that dolphin is a blue and white. What is the spelling of dolphin?
D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphin.
Okay, the spelling of dolphin is a D-O-L-P-H-I-N. That dolphin is a dangerous animal? Yes or no? No. No, very good. Your observations is very nice. Huh? That dolphin is not a dangerous sea animal. Now let us see some information about that dolphin. Dolphin lives underwater in the ocean. Dolphin is a very social animal. His behavior is very friendly. It loves to live in a group. That dolphin likes to live in a group. A dolphin can live up to 50 years. That dolphin can live up to 50 years. A dolphin has a two stomach. Very interesting information. Remember that dolphin has a two stomach. How many stomach for us? Yes, child. How many stomach for us?
2. 1.
No. Listen very carefully. How many stomach for us? 1 or 2, 3, 4?
1.
1. Very good. But dolphin have a two stomach. Dolphin have a two stomachs. It can be trained quickly. A dolphin is a very intelligent animal. That dolphin is a very intelligent animal. Let us see the picture of that dolphin. Dolphins are mammals that spend their lives in the water. And very interesting information why these dolphins are called mammals. There are 3 reasons. Because they breathe in a year, their mothers produce milk for their young one, and third important reason is they are a warm-blooded animal. That's why that dolphins are called as a mammals. Now, which animal is that?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Okay, what is the spelling of that tortoise?
Tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise.
Okay, both are very good. Huh? Nice answer. The spelling of that tortoise is Tortoise. Do you see that tortoise?
Yes.
Where? Where you see that tortoise?
In the TV.
Okay, in the TV. Okay, very good. Nice observation, child.
In the ocean.
Okay, when you go in a ocean, are you visit for a ocean? Yes, child. Okay, no problem. That tortoise is also called as a turtle. That tortoise is also called as a turtle. That turtle is a reptile animal. It moves very slowly. It has a hard cover called shell. They are living on both water and land. This tortoise live both water and land. Turtle cannot swim. There are many species of tortoise. Hard shell protect it from predators. In a danger, the tortoise hides in the shell. Turtle can live for a long time. It has 4 small legs. How many legs for tortoise?
4 small legs.
Okay, very good. Nice memory, student. It has a four small legs, a long small neck with a head and a small tail. Okay, now which animal is that?
Crab.
It's not big crab. Observe very carefully. Which animal is that? Lobster. Which animal is that?
Lobster. Lobster.
Lobster. And what is the spelling of that lobster?
Lobster. Lobster.
Okay, it looks like a crab, but not a crab. It is a lobster. How many legs for that lobster? Can you count that legs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lobster has 6 legs. Have 6 legs.
Okay, that lobster have a 6 leg. Okay. Now next animal, which animal is that? Yes, child. Which animal is that? That one is a blue whale. Which animal is that?
Whale.
Okay, and the spelling of that blue whale is?
BLUEWHALE. Whale. Blue whale.
Okay. Okay, very good, student. Very good. Now let us see the information about that blue whale. That blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. Blue whale can grow up to 100 feet long. Female blue whales are generally longer than male blue whales. Blue whales mostly eat small creatures of oceans. Mostly that blue whale available in oceans. The lifespan of a blue whale is approximately 80 to 90 years. And it's look very beautiful. Now next one, which animal is that? Can you guess that animal? Urchin. Which animal is that?
Urchin.
And what is the spelling of urchin?
URCHIN. Urchin.
Okay, very good, student. Let us see some information about that urchin. They come in a variety of colors. That urchin are available in so many colors in the ocean. Do you see the picture of that urchins?
Yes.
Yes. They have so many variety of colors. Now, sea urchins are marine invertebrates that typically live on the bottom of the sea floor. Now, they can be found in all of the world's ocean, from a deep water to polar waters and tropical region. They may also use their spines to walk. That urchin walk by their spines. Now, the spines may be long, thin, short, or stubby. Now, next animal. Which animal is that? Seal. Which animal is that?
Seal.
And what is the spelling of that seal?
S-E-A-L. Seal.
Okay, very good child. Seals are a semi-aquatic marine mammals. They are around 33 species of seals. Seals are found in the most waters of the world. They found mainly in the Arctic and Antarctic region. Seals have a layer of fat under skin called blubber, which keeps them warm in a cold water. Now next animal, which animal is that? Walrus. Which animal is that? Walrus. Okay. Now let us see the story of that walrus. Are you interested to listen the story of walrus?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now listen very carefully. Okay. Hi there. Who are you? That boy asked to walrus. Hi there. Who are you? Then walrus reply, I am a walrus. Walruses are big sea mammals. The boy asked, where do you live? Then that walrus reply, we live near the Arctic Circle. It's a very cold year. Everywhere is ice. Do you see in that picture? Everywhere is ice and cold water. That walrus replied to that boy, I live in a Arctic Circle and their climate is very cold. Now, what is the next question of boy? How do you stay warm? We have a lots of blubber. Blubber is a type of fat. It keeps us nice and warm. Now, the boy asked, you have a huge tusk? Yes. Our tusks are long teeth. We use them to poke holes in the ice. Our tusks also protect us from enemies. Now, the boy asks, do you live with other walruses? That walruses reply, yes, walruses live in a big groups. We like to lie on the beach together. Do you see in that picture that all walruses lie on the beach? Yes, child? Are you see that all walruses lie on the beach together? So this one is the speciality of that walruses. Now, next animal. Which animal is that?
Crab.
Crab. How many legs for that crabs? You know?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crab has 6 legs.
Okay, let us see the information of that crab. That time we are see how many legs for that crab. Crabs are very cold creature. They greatly they generally available in a very in size. They are live in a salty and fresh water. That crab live in a river also and oceans also. Crabs are also known as a decoupled. That crab also have a 10 legs. How many legs for that crabs? Yes, student. How many legs for that crabs? That crabs have a 10 legs. They have an external skeleton called shell. It provides protection for the soft tissue underneath it. Crabs have eyes on the stalks. They walk and swim sidewise. They communicate via sound. That crabs communicate to each other via sound. They eat both meat and plants. And what is the spelling of that crab? Yes, child. What is the spelling of that?
C-R-A-B.
Okay, very good. C-R-A-B. That is the spelling of crab. Mostly we are see that crab in a market. And next animal, which animal is that? Can you guess which animal is that? Shrimp. Which animal is that? Shrimp. And what is the spelling of shrimp? S-H-R-I.
R-I-M-P.
Very good.
S-H-R-I-M-P.
Okay. Now let us see the information about that shrimp. There are more than 2,000 species of shrimp. A shrimp lives in a both salt water and fresh water. That shrimp live in a river also and ocean also. That river is a fresh water and that oceans are a salt water. It means that shrimp lives in a both salt and fresh water. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. That shrimp heart is located in its head. Shrimp can live up to 6 years. A shrimp can have up to 25 legs. How many legs for shrimp? 25 legs. Shrimp is one of the loudest creature in the ocean. It is very important information. Huh? Shrimp is one of the loudest creature in the ocean. Its sound can sometimes dangerous our eardrums. Okay, now is the question time. Are you ready for the question answers?
Yes.
Okay. Which animal is that?
Fish.
And
Fish.
what? Okay, very good student. And what is the spelling of fish?
F-I-S-I-N-H. Fish.
Okay, very good. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Can you guess the next animal? Which animal is that? Starfish. Okay. And what is the shape of that starfish?
Star shape. Star shape.
Very good. The shape of that starfish is a star. Now, which animal is that?
Seahorse.
Very good. Nice observation, student. That one is a seahorse. And where did that seahorse live?
Seahorse live in a water.
Okay, that seahorse live in a water.
Seahorse live in the water.
Okay, very good, student. Now, which animal is that?
Crab.
Crab. And what is the spelling of crab?
Crab.
But what is the spelling of crab? C. Okay. The spelling is
C-R-A-B. Crab.
Okay, very good answer. The spelling of crab is C-R-A-B. Now it's the time for homework. What is the homework? Draw the picture of fish and crab. Draw the picture of fish and crab. That one is your homework. So are you understand the aquatic animals?
Yes.
Can you tell me the name of some aquatic animals?
Fish. Fish.
Only fish. Other
And
than
fish and crab. F F-I-S-H.
okay,
Fish.
okay, dear. You told me the spelling of fish. But what teacher asked you? You know the name of some aquatic animals? We are see the aquatic animals, na? For
Yes.
example, fish, seahorse, crab, turtle, then whale, shark,
Starfish.
starfish.
Octopus.
Okay, very good, dear students. Very good, bacha. Nice memory, yeah? Yes, thank you, all of you.